Alright, guys, welcome to a series that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sitting here writing code. I'm going to be rebuilding Twitch from the ground up. It's just going to be like basic HTML and CSS. We're going to be working on the page where, you know, both of them are going to be similar. Both of them are going to have buttons. One of them is going to be a sign in button, and then the other one's gonna have buttons like where get points, whatever. Um, I already got colors for that, so I used the Chrome extension for that. Anyway, um, I'll be explaining the process as I go. However, this is going to be a long-term project. For now, we're going to be doing this in raw HTML, CSS to where um, until we get everything complete. And yeah, if you want to follow along, the thing that I would recommend doing is downloading Visual Studio Code. And then I'm going to assume that you know how to set up a folders. So set up a project folder called Stream, Twitch Wannabe, whatever. Just name it something. And then let me show you that I actually got everything set up there. There it is. And then I'll be removing everything from time. I'll be doing that from time to time, or what I'm probably thinking about doing is shrinking this so that we can look at this side by side, and then I'll figure something out. So hopefully you guys will follow along with me. Hopefully you guys will learn something from me, and yeah, let's get started.